Here. Okay, stay put.
American power!
America!
America!
We America! Fuck yeah! Come at you and save the motherfucking day here!
Freedom is free. It's a happy fucking beat.
And if you don't chip in, fuck old five. I'll tell you who's chipping fuck old five. American fucking power.
Wait. This is just perfect to not hit trees.
Yeah. Oh, that can't be it. That was not 119 shots.
Well, the thing is, they want us in like 6-round bursts.
Yeah. That was kind of cool.
Rather cool.
Yeah.
Not worth $80.
No, but see, the thing is, it's all tied together. Yeah. Thing, so we don't have to do individually. That's better than we could have ever done individually.
I don't know. It's $80 worth of convenience.
No, things that we did for matter, but we couldn't do it in such success.
Okay, so next year we're gonna take 20 mortars, lie them down, and have a few with it. And you and Derek drive down there and put it in the bed.
I figured that's how it was gonna go anyway.
And then have a fuse of gasoline.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
All right, let's go. Back to the game.